time of night I could call you up. I get angry with athletic ease, break common laws in twos and threes. If I die clutching your photograph, don't call me boring, it's just 'cause I like you. Oh, take me on back and take me back to the place where I could feel your heart. Is this the end or just the start of something really, really beautiful, wrapped up in disguised as something really, really ugly? Won't you come by and see me? I'm a love letter away. I break your name before I say I really love you, love you. No, I don't care if you saw. I watched every inch of film flash across your Roman features, and I loved it, loved it. No, I don't care if you think I'm eager to shut your eyes. Well, I'm sorry, everybody knows you can't break me with your gutter prose. Would you believe if she sent me a letter? The ring, it nearly weighs her down. She's got another boy, oh boy. Steady your ears and read my lips. Poetry is not a luxury, it's how I break this home. And when I'm really ill, won't you cradle me? Man is not a noble animal, but maybe woman is. Remember, I heard you inside your room. You said you'd never really live till your back's against the wall. But did you really mean it? No, I never break my gaze, but just to see this scar remain reflected in your eyes. I think it's time to go home. Oh, tell me your thoughts on liberty. Say there's a place where I seem to sleeping. She said, oh, my vote is as red as my blood. Will you join me for another round? I haven't had the chance to speak yet. Godspeed.